Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight where technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to download Windows 10 ISO legally. Okay, it's a very simple process, and bear in mind that the ISO you're going to be downloading is not going to be activated. You need a separate key. You need to buy a key to activate the ISO. So you can use the ISO to make a bootable USB or a bootable disk. Okay, so without more blabbering, let's straight get into this. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open your browser. I have given a link in the description below. You can do this as well, or you can just click on the link and straight go into that. So we are going to search in Google Windows 10 ISO. Okay, you're going to click that and you can see the first link is from Microsoft. If the first link is not from Microsoft, search until you have this link. Okay, but this link will already be in the description, so it'll be so much more easier for you guys. Okay, so now you'll see here download tool. Now create Windows 10 installation media. You're going to click on download tool now. Okay, and then it's downloading the tool and you can just open that. Click on yes for the administrator access. You can close your browser already. Okay, so now getting a few things ready will take a while guys. It will load and load and load. Okay, so you just have to be patient. Okay, nothing is broken, nothing is jammed, it's just loading. Okay, so let it prepare. Okay guys, so you'll be directed to this where you can click on accept the agreement and it will continue to load, so just wait. Okay guys, so after the getting ready finishes, you can see it will give you two options to upgrade this PC and create an installation media. I would recommend you to create an installation media, as if you click on upgrade this PC, it will just download the file and install it, and you'll not get the Windows 10 ISO file. Okay, so if you click on the create installation media, you will have an ISO file, so you can upgrade it, you can install it in how many computers you want without needing to download it again. Okay, so you're going to go for the second option, click on next, uncheck this. Okay, so you have the ability to choose whatever you want. I'm going to leave this in English. We have only one option, Windows 10, and the architecture I'm going to go both. So if I want a 32-bit, I can just choose 32-bit and install. I don't have to go and re-download a 32-bit version. Okay, get me? Yep. So you're going to click on next, and here you're going to make sure it's at ISO file and not USB flash drive. Okay, so click on next again, and it'll ask you where you want to store your drive, to store your file, not your drive. Okay, so you can select where you want. I'm going to just select my documents, and please do not edit the file name as it may corrupt the file. Okay, you can edit the file name after the file is fully downloaded. Okay, so just going to click on save, and yeah, that's about it guys. It'll start to download. It will take long, it depends on your internet connection. If you have a fast internet, it will download quite quickly, but if you have a very sluggish internet, it will take about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so be patient. So yeah, I think that's about it guys. If you have any other problems, any other questions, please put them down in the comments below. And I think yeah, please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.